Did you know the most elite bodyguards in history once threw their own emperor out of a palace window? Meet the Varangian Guard, Viking warriors hired to protect Byzantine emperors. But these Norse giants had a serious loyalty problem. They sold battle plans to enemies for bags of gold. During one coronation, they stabbed an emperor to death with the very ceremonial swords meant to honor him. When palace coups erupted, they looted the imperial treasury and sailed back to Scandinavia with stolen riches. In one legendary battle, they literally switched sides mid-fight when enemies offered better pay. But their ultimate betrayal came in 1204. When Crusaders attacked Constantinople, the Varangian Guard abandoned their posts entirely. The city fell, and with it, the mighty Byzantine Empire lost its power forever. These Viking mercenaries didn't just betray emperors, they helped destroy an empire that had lasted 1,000 years. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily history facts.